Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Also welcome to my channel if you have obviously new to this channel. Today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to script custom footsteps in Roblox. We'll cover how to make different sounds play when walking on grass, wood, and more. Super easy and will make your game feel way more immersive. Stick around till the end and I'll show you how to add your own custom sounds. It's really easy to do and it'll be better if you did your own sounds, not just copy off my sounds. And so your game would be unique to you and your game. Also, I've also been working on a brand new game called Radiation. It's a game where you're trapped in a highly radiated area and must find a way to escape to safety before it's too late. More updates on that soon, and so stay tuned. I'll be posting more updates on the channel. And if you're enjoying Roblox tutorials and other Roblox updates, game updates, game devlogs, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Huge thanks to Cool Cabin Dog for giving me the idea for this footsteps tutorial on Roblox. He even taught me, from one of his videos, he even taught me how to do this footsteps. So huge thanks to him. I just want to let you guys know that he gave me the idea and you should go check him out, check his channel out, learn cool things like this, how to make blood system, how to do main menu, how to sit animation, custom animation, how to make a working door, all that cool stuff. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to him, check his channel out. It's linked down in the description below. Okay, so go to starter player, starter character scripts, local script, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it footsteps sound or sounds. And then go to link in description below and go to my pastebin link and then copy the script here. Is basically I'm going to tell you this right here is the material sounds. It says it's all the material sounds. If you want a new material, like different materials, you can go to model, you can go to view, toolbox, audio, and then search up, say you want wood sound, wood footsteps, and you can go here, wood footsteps. I misspelled it. But if you want that, you can have that, see, then come here, copy that, and then paste it here, right there, and do that, and you have your footsteps sound. It's really easy to do, and I encourage you to, or recommend, and also recommend you do your own sounds, because then your game would be unique to you and what you want. And yeah, so, and then here, this are variables. They're just references what character, humanoid, human root part, and footstep sounds are. So character is script.parent, character, starter character script. Character, wait for a child, is humanoid. So character, and then character wait for child is humanoid. And then humanoid report is also in the character. It's wait for child. Footsteps is humanoid report and then running. And then here is basically telling the computer to play the sounds whenever the material is sounding. Whoa. There's a whole bang downstairs. But local floor material Local floor material equals humanoid floor material, so that's finding the floor materials. Then sound is material sounds, and then the floor material. And then this will say if it finds sound, then it will play the footstep sound ID here. And then if it can't find that sound ID from the here, it will play the default plastic sound. And yeah, that's really much it. That was it. It's really easy, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Really easy to do. And yeah, so on to the testing phase. Okay, so now we're in the testing phase. As you can see, you can hear the sound already. We have grass, wood, both wood, rock, snow, sand, and metal. And you have all those other sounds that you've added, like the diamond plate and whatnot. But there it is. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Super easy. Just have to copy and paste that script. And yeah, so now you have this whole custom footstep sounds, and you can make your own footstep sounds if you want. And yeah, so don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.